Salut à tous, welcome back to Lingoni. It's a pleasure to teach you again today. The topic I chose for today is present continuous in French. How does it work? Considering that we do not have a present continuous in French, like as a tense in itself, we don't have it. So we use a little trick, which is again a fixed expression, and it's quite easy to use. So I'm happy to be able to teach you a new tense today, which is present continuous in French. What do you need to know to structure your present continuous? First, the fixed expression. 3 words. En train de. What does it mean? Because this is always the question. But what does it mean? It's a kind of in the process of. That's it. That's the expression we have to make understand that the action is happening now. En train de. What else? You need your verb être at the beginning of the sentence in present simple. What does that mean? Je suis en train de. Tu es en train de. Il est, elle est en train de. Nous sommes en train de. Vous êtes en train de. Ils ou elles sont en train de. What's missing? The verb. You will just put it in infinitive. Je suis en train de parler. Translation: I am speaking. I am talking. Je suis en train de. En train de is fixed. It will always be en train de, as you could see before when I was doing like the verb to be. Then en train de never changed. So there we go. Je suis en train de parler. Parler, P-A-R-L-E-R. Infinitif du verbe. That works for everything. All the verbs and all the persons. Je suis, tu es, il est, everything. Tu es en train d'acheter. Elle est en train d'étudier. Nous sommes en train de travailler. Vous êtes en train de voyager. Elles sont en train de marcher. I really don't have much more to tell you. You just need to remember your verb to be in present simple, which is the very basics, so you know that. You need to remember the 3 words en train de that will never change and that are straight after the verb to be. And then you just need to decide which verb you want to use, which one is it that you want to put in this continuous form, and keep it in infinitive. That's about it. One last thing, if you want to ask a question with en train de, you could, for example, use this structure that you know very well with est-ce que. Are you talking now? Est-ce que tu es en train de parler? Easy. Easy. So you put est-ce que at the beginning of the sentence and then you keep your sentence completely normal after the est-ce que. Est-ce que tu es en train de parler? Est-ce qu'elle est en train de travailler? Est-ce que vous êtes en train de regarder la télévision? Est-ce qu'ils sont en train de jouer au football? That's about it. Well done to you, because by now you have a new tense in your pockets and you can speak in present continuous in French and also ask a question in present continuous. Do not hesitate to write sentences in comments and I will correct them if needed. And check lingoni.com if you want to practice with some more interactive, exclusive exercises, PDF, podcasts, videos, and even pronunciation. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and that it was useful and clear enough, and I see you very soon for a new one. À bientôt. Au revoir.